this is Drew. We are going to show you how to navigate around in WordPress. This is the Fun Trail backend. Let's go ahead and show where all the pages and some of the functionality lie in this backend. So in the left you'll see pages, so let's click on all pages so we can see all the pages we have on our site, and then I'll show you how to create a new page. So everything is basically organized by the date it was created, so the newest stuff will usually float to the top. So let's create a new page. Let's just make it, we'll just call it test. So let's click on add new, and we'll also add it into the menu just to show how it. So let's just give it a title here, and then below is where you will put your images or text. So let's click on add media, and we'll just insert an image here. We'll just pick this girl here. I'll click insert into page, and there you go. Then you can put some text in here. Now there's some controls with the image. If you click on the image, you'll see another image, smaller mountain image in there, and that gives you some options to change the way the image and the text flows. So you can see right now this is set for left, so everything would be text would be to the right, or you can center your image where the text would be at the bottom, or you can click right and then the text would flow to the left of the image. Or you can click none, and then the default is, it's a weird thing here, but it looks nice to always click left. And then if you wanted to add a little bit of spacing between the image and the text, you can add vertical spacing. 8 is usually good, 8 vertically and 8 horizontally. And then scroll down and click update, and it'll update the text, your image. So let's go ahead and hit publish. Okay, great. Now we'll go into appearance, menus, and this is where all the top navigation is found. You can see we just created a new page test, so it floats to the top. Now these are all the navigation. You can see the sub navigation, and it actually says sub items. You know that that's a sub navigation. So what we're going to do is add test to our list of menus. We're going to click test, click add to menu, and WordPress will add all the new pages to the bottom of your list. So if you've got a lot of pages, you're going to have to scroll down to the bottom. You just simply click and drag, and you can move this guy. We'll just put him under the truck caps and lids so we can find him easily. We'll just put it there, and then make sure to always click save menu. And then let's go to the front page and see how it looks. You just float up here to the top, and it says visit site, and you can actually see the front end view of the site. What's nice about WordPress is you don't have to log into the admin. Once you're logged in, you can always access the dashboard when you're in the front end view. So if we go to truck caps and lids, there's our test page. You can see this sidebar comes in on the default. When it's the default template, the store hours to contact us is all in a widget to the right. So let's go ahead and remove that real quick. Go back into appearance, menus, and we'll just remove this item. So to remove navigation, you just click on the little page, the little triangle, and that opens up more options, and you just click remove, and it's gone. And then make sure to hit save menu. So that's how you add a page and how you add navigation. let's go into the elastic slider, which is the home page slider that you see. Right here. This is all called an elastic. I think this is the elastic slider. And you can add as many, usually four is a good number of slides, but you could add, you could probably add 6 different slides, and you can control the text that flies in. So you can see Diamondback truck covers. This is all dynamic text that you can add. You can change the color of. So let's go in and see how that's created. That is in the elastic slider. Let's just look at all of them. So you can see ARE truck caps. I think this, Diamondback, red slides in Yakima. These are all the slides that are active. So to create a new slide, we will just click Add New. And then we need to title it, so we'll just call it Slide 5 in that box. Now we do need to group this to group number 1, and that is the grouping that the rest of the slides are, and that's how they all end up on the same page. So we'll click Group 1, and then we click Add. That's an important step. Alright, let's go in and so that's slide 5. And I think we'll conclude there. We will pick back up, and I need to close there. I will have another video on the elastic slider. Thank you very much. That concludes this training for how to create a page and how to create a menu item in WordPress.